Backing up your computer to Google Drive. Images larger than 200 megabytes of size or 150 megapixels are not supported. The maximum video size supported is 10 gigs. If your media is smaller than 256 by 256, it won't be compatible. Step 1. Download and install client. Visit the Google Backup and Sync official website and click on Download Backup and Sync. Step 2. Launch Backup and Sync. Click the upward arrow icon in the notification area of the taskbar. Now click the Google Drive icon and select Settings. You should see a screen similar to the following. Click on Get Started. Step 3. Log into your account. On the login page, enter your Google account email credentials. Select the folders you want to back up to Google Drive. Step 4. Select Drive or folders to back up. Use the folders list to choose folders to back up. To select a custom folder or drive, click on Choose Folder and select your desired path. Step 5. Choose photo or video size. Choose between high quality, unlimited storage for free, or original quality, limited storage that counts against your drive quota. Select the image quality for photos. Step 6. Make your media available on Google Photos. To make your photos and videos available on Google Photos, select the Upload Photos and Videos to Google Photos option. Step 7. Choose Sync Mode. As discussed earlier, synchronization is a two-way process. You can specify whether you want to sync everything to your Google Drive account or sync only specific folders of your choice. If you rather wish to not sync any folders from your Google Drive account, simply uncheck the Sync My Drive to this computer option. Once you're done setting up Google Backup and Sync, click on Start. Avoid duplication and save storage. As we use Google to sync and back up stuff from different devices, it leads to duplication. Too many duplicates can eat up your precious storage. It is recommended that you check for duplicate documents and files on a periodic basis. Cloud Duplicate Finder is a web-based tool which can be a great help. With CDF, you can find duplicates of any type, images, videos, music, documents, archives, from your Google Drive account.